you in, but it's not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. And overthinking everything, I'm barricaded my own skin. So break down these four walls, 'cause they're heavy and they're tall, and the way you me down. If I let go of it all, would you catch me? Would you hold me? Or would you let me drown? Drown, drown, I'm halfway down. When you do, would you leave? Or would you stay another night? Another night. And though I try every time we touch to let you in, but it's not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. And if you do